Hey, it's about 2 in the morning, and I'm woken up because I can hear all these sounds of like really creepy, like it sounds like a wolf, but it sounds like it's coming from like the archery field in my house. It's really creepy. I can't go to sleep, you know. Listen to it, look. It'll probably go in a minute. Creepy or what? Hey YouTube, I hear a strange noise coming from outside my bedroom, so I'm just gonna go and investigate it, see if there's anything there.
Oof.